Hi, this is Mel May from the Minecraft Furniture Server. In this video, I'd like to show you how to make some cool chairs and stools. So, let's get started. Here's a simple stool design using a slab floor. Simply place your stairs like this, and you can also place the stool closer to the table by placing the stairs the other way around. This gives the effect that these are movable objects. Now here I'll show you some chairs that use the slab as their base. This one here uses signs for the back and the armrests. And this one here uses paintings. A single sign at the back also works great, as does a painting. But for a really cool chair design, why not combine a painting as well as signs for the armrests? This gives true chair dimensions. This style of chair can also be recreated against the wall, just by placing a full block inside the wall. And here we have a high-backed version of this chair. This is created just by adding a door. This works really well in a more formal setting, such as a dining table like this. A different style chair can be achieved when using a slab floor. Here we have a few examples, and I'll show you how to make these. Start by placing a stair in the slab floor, and then another stair in the opposite direction to complete the chair. These can then be dressed up using signs. Slabs can also be used instead of the stairs for a different look. And finish with a sign for the backing. You can also place signs to create armrests. And here's the old simple stair chair. But we can also use paintings for a different look. For a bit of a retro look, we've added a bookshelf to the stair chair and just added some signs. And over here we have this cool chair design that I created whilst making this video. So here's how to make this. First I'll place the guide blocks for the upside down stair. This will form the front legs of the chair. Now all you need is a door at the back to complete the chair. This chair can also be created using wood, but I found the iron doors work really well because they can't be opened. Here's another chair design using full blocks. Note that these were also built using a slab floor. This makes for a really cool looking chair just by adding a pressure plate, and then a painting can be attached. There are different ways you can attach the paintings depending on your room. In this example, we've attached a painting back to front just by placing a sign behind the chair. The painting can then be placed on the sign. This chair can also be achieved without the use of a wall. Just place a sign onto the pressure plate first, and then a painting onto the sign. One of the things I love about this chair is the variety of blocks you can use for the base. You can virtually use any block where a pressure plate can be placed. This neat little chair can be created in a slab floor. Place your stairs like this, facing away from each other, and a sign completes the back. Here we have the same chair made to look like it's been pushed under the table. Here's how. So if I go a block down here, you'll see the full effect. here we have a chair that's been quite popular on the Minecraft furniture server. Using the same base, we place a slab instead of the sign for the backing. Very cool. You can also make these chairs look like they're slightly rotated just by placing a sign on an angle. Now for some stools. Pistons make great stools, and I'll show you how to make them in a slab or a full block floor. First, make sure you dig 2 block deep. This is to ensure you have plenty of room for your redstone torch. When you first place a piston on a slab floor, it'll look quite low, so we need to add a slab on top to give it some height, and then a sign for the backing. But paintings can also be added to the back. Pistons also look great in a full block floor. You will still need to dig 2 block deep. Pistons look great as a standalone stool, but if your room allows a fence or a sign near the back, like in this setting here, then you can also add a painting to the back. Extra detail is easily added when using pistons in a full block floor. Stools also look great when using fence posts for the stand. Here I'm using a stone pressure plate, as well as a painting to complete the stool. You can also use the sign method so the painting faces the front. This same stool can also be achieved in a slab floor. Just place a stair like this, which will then become the footrest. I hope you've learned some new ways of creating chairs and stools, and have some fresh ideas to help you fill out your Minecraft home. Thanks for watching, bye for now.